Michael Intravartolo here from Solution Systems, and today I want to take a little bit of time to answer some of the more popular questions with regards to upgrading Dynamics NAV to Dynamics 365 Business Central. Making the decision to not upgrade or to upgrade NAV to Business Central should be a priority really for every organization that's actually using Dynamics NAV. I say priority because we've all heard of the advanced features and functionality, better accessibility, and some of the other great things Business Central brings to the table. However, the one thing that I feel organizations are really not taking into consideration when making their decision whether or not to upgrade NAV to Business Central is that this quite possibly could be the last upgrade you'll ever do. Yes, I said that. It could be the last upgrade that you ever have to do or even partake in. But more on that later. The answer is yes. Business Central is built on the NAV platform and is a rebranding of Dynamics NAV. The look and feel might be a little bit different, but I can assure you the heart of Business Central is Dynamics NAV. It really depends. If you like your current environment, the data you have, the setups you have, and you want to preserve your history and enhancements, then upgrading your existing NAV environment to Business Central on-premise or online does make sense. If you don't want to keep all that old data and all the old enhancements that you're not using, you can simply start fresh with a re-implementation. I would recommend talking to your Microsoft partner when making the move to carry out either one of these scenarios. No, you do not. If you are current on your enhancement plan, you are entitled to the latest version of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central. You absolutely can. In fact, Microsoft is currently running a Bridge to Cloud promotion that is going to provide you with a 60% discount off the commercial list price. That means for a $100 premium user, you're only going to pay $40. It's a great deal. The difference is really who's hosting the solution and where is it deployed, right? The on-premise solution is basically, if you're running an on-premise solution, you are responsible for hosting the software. There's different ways to host the software, such as having an in-house server or a Microsoft Azure server. Yeah, you can still bring over your customizations, but the development environment has changed. There's no more objects in Business Central Online or Business Central on-premise versions after version 14.0. So for example, let's assume you've created a custom sales analysis report in Dynamics NAV, and you want this exact same report in Business Central. Your Microsoft partner is going to have to take this report and transition it into an extension. This does not entail rewriting the entire report. So if the report took 10 hours to build, it's certainly not going to take 10 hours to transition into an extension. This depends on what specifically you're doing with Business Central, and it depends on where you're located. For example, if you have real-time shop floor data collection going on and the loss of the internet is going to shut down your entire operation, you may have some cause for concern. However, a lot of organizations today have a redundant internet connection, so this is going to greatly reduce your chances of a internet disruption. Also, if your organization is geographically located in an area where the internet service is not as strong, you might want to consider on-premise as a viable option. When upgrading to Business Central, you'll have to switch from a concurrent licensing model to a named user licensing model. So if you're an organization that used one license for 3 different shifts, you might be a little worried hearing this, but you shouldn't be. Microsoft realizes this may be an issue for a lot of organizations. So when you upgrade, you're going to get 3 named users for every 1 concurrent user. So for example, if you have 20 concurrent users on NAV, you're going to get 60 named users in Business Central. Also, Business Central offers a device license, which can be, assigned for multiple people to you that are using the same device. Absolutely. In your Business Central environment, you can run an unlimited number of companies, and each company has its own independent set of data. This includes separate financials as well. There's also a consolidation functionality where you can create a consolidation company and push all those entries from your individual companies into a consolidated company. So, technically speaking, Business Central Online does not have a limit to how much storage you can use because it has the option to continue to purchase more storage as you need it. That being said, out of the box BC storage limits are generally more than enough for most organizations. And recently, as of July 1st, 2021, I believe, Business Central has improved the amount of storage you get out of the box. If you were to need more storage than what comes out of the box with Business Central, like I said, you can also purchase additional storage, or Microsoft even offers bulk rate pricing if you purchase bulk storage. So one of the best things about Business Central Online is that once you're up and running, Microsoft automatically updates your system each month with hot fixes. And then twice a year, you're going to get a major release. So this means you're always going to be current on the latest software. And with running online, you have the ability to never have to upgrade again because it's done automatically for you by Microsoft. So to answer the question, to upgrade or not upgrade, my answer is you should definitely upgrade. Technology is advancing fast, but the digital working landscape is advancing even quicker, especially these past couple years due to the pandemic, making it all that more important to have advanced ERP software.